Hello, I know a lot of you are very curious about Tesla's Dashcam feature in version 9, so I decided to make a video and do some comparison. Let's do this. Just a reminder that this feature requires Autopilot 2.5, which means if your cars were built before August 2017, you won't be able to use it. Now you'll need to prepare a USB flash drive formatted in FAT32 and create a base level folder called Dashcam. After that, if you want to record while driving, all you need to do is to find one of the charging ports in the front seat, which is under the center console in Model 3, and then plug your USB drive in. If properly configured, you will see a Dashcam icon in the status bar. You can save a 10-minute long video by pressing the icon. All recordings not downloaded after an hour will be automatically deleted. For quality comparison, I'm using GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you can see, compared to Hero 7, the color of the footage from Dashcam is way off. The resolution is 960p and the frame rate is 36 per second. I personally think it's quite disappointing. First of all, it doesn't use the wide-angle lens, and the video quality doesn't seem ideal. The good thing is it doesn't need installation, it doesn't need wiring, so it's really convenient and easy to use. But you probably won't remember to press that icon when there's a serious accident. So I would still recommend you get a third-party dashcam if you drive a lot, or you can wait till Tesla makes some improvement. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. We have a lot more to talk about. See ya.